The Utah company, with the support of the Rostex State Corporation, developed the material and mastered the production of the two-component polyurethane-based binding material intended for gluing surfaces from crushed stone or gravel from natural stone. At the development and adaptation stages, the material has been tested in the factories and independent laboratories. The advantages of the material are high strength of the crushed stone layers fixing, high water permeability of prepared construction, temperature resistance. Since 2013, together with Russian Railways, development work has been carried out using RBS technology for fixing elements of railway infrastructure facilities. Since 2014, railway track sections with a fixed shoulder and arm of the ballast section have been operated on the North Caucasus, and since 2016 on the Trans-Baikal railways. This work was carried out in order to determine the stability of assembled rails and sleepers, the resistance to the transversal shear of sleepers in the ballast, the mathematical parameters of assembled rails and sleepers stability due to the reinforcement of a fixed shoulder and arm of the ballast section with binding materials are determined. The RBS technology provides an increase of track's resistance to the transversal shear by 6 to 8 times. It practically eliminates the warping of the track and allows significantly expand the use of continuous welded rail tracks. Commission inspections with the participation of Russian Railways representatives determined that on sections with a fixed shoulder and arm of the ballast section are no external damages and changes in the ballast geometric parameters. There are no truck splashes, and as a result, there are no faults in track deviations as per wagon track meter indications. Since the under-control operation in 2014, the maximum passed tonnage amounted to 640 million gross tons. According to the operation results of sections with a fixed shoulder and arm of the ballast section, it can be concluded that it's possible to increase the inter-repair time due to the stable state of the permanent way. Also, it's possible to reduce costs of track maintenance because it's not necessary to align or cut splashes to adjust the track. According to calculations, the economic effect in the form of reduction in total costs will be about $83,000 per 1 kilometer of track. The operation of the railway embankments in coastal areas under the influence of high rainflows, like on Sakhalin and the Black Sea coast, led to significant destruction of the subgrade slopes and artificial facilities. Today, there is the protective layer destruction of railway slopes along the Black Sea coast. In addition to the unacceptable appearance of the resort area, destruction will lead to erosion and local landslides of the subgrade, made from draining non-binding materials. The recovery and fixing of the subgrade destroyed protective layer using the RBS technology was performed in 2017 and 2018 on the Tuapse-Adler section of the North Caucasus Railway on a trial basis. The RBS technology of the ballast section surface using binding material can resist the energy of airflow from the rolling stock on speed and high-speed sections. Technology tests on the Tver-Vyshny Volochysk section showed a high reliability of the formed protective layer. Today, together with Russian Railways, we implemented the project of the entire ballast surface strengthening on mountain pass sections. The aim of our work is to prevent sand penetration in the ballast section and to preclude the possibility of track splashes. The reason for this work was the occasion that led to the rolling stock derailment due to the track splashes on sandy railway sections. Usage of RBS technology will minimize the work of the track complex, reducing the subgrade damages and operating costs.